Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China. This was my last day of product sourcing at the Auto Aftermarket exhibition in Beijing. Not only did I get to learn how cars are built and how future cars will be built, I got to network with manufacturers of all car components, parts, bits and pieces and accessories. In so doing, I got to find and learn about future trending car products, which I'll be making more content and posting more content in relation to this event. As we proceed to the course of the year in the next few weeks or few months, I'll be visiting the factories like I did last year to see how these products are manufactured, to find the best quality and that we can put on our e-commerce platform. So if you are interested in doing business in China or sourcing products from China in relation to auto products, please subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more content and visiting more auto fairs, exhibitions and shows. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the notification icon so you don't miss anything, and any questions are welcomed, and any recommendation of what you want to see in the future about product sourcing in China, you can ask them below.